So now, hello, I'm back. Welcome back. So now, I've set up my table. I covered it with, it's the continuation of a recording I was doing. I'm teaching you how to set up a table for an endoscopy procedure. So the first thing I did, I covered a table with this blue cover. The blue cover has a sponge in it, lubricant. Once again, my name is Michael. It has this gauze in it. This one is going to be used to clean the scope after the procedure. So I put it here, I put my gauze here, I put my lubricant here. I set up these tubings. I have two tubings here. I connected this one to the machine. This one is the pump. This is the pump tubing, and this is the air and water tubing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my scope. The first procedure that we'll be doing is colonoscopy. So I'll take my scope right here. So I've turned on my machine, turn on the power, everything is working now. So I get my scope. This is my colonoscope. They are coming to do colonoscopy. So coming to show you how to connect the scope to the machine and make it work for the procedure. So, like I said, everything is connected. I connected my tubings. This tube is for the pump. This one is for the air and water channel. So I grab my scope. The first thing you're going to be doing, this is the machine. This is the light source. So this is the machine. You take your scope, left hand, right hand. On the scope we have this dot. See these white dots and this scope number. So that part should be facing up. Alright? Should be facing up. So you hold it like this and then you go to the machine. This is the light source. So you connect it. This dot should be facing up. See? It's facing up. So you hold it like this and then you connect it. You push it. There's a hole in there. So you make sure that you push it. See this hole? This dot facing up. So you push the scope inside. So that the scope is inside. When you connect the scope, you see on the screen, the scope is showing that it's connected. You see it on the screen. So when I take it off, I'll take the scope out and then you see what will happen to the screen. Take the scope out again, and then you see that the screen is vertical. So this is how it looks like when you don't connect the scope. But when you connect the scope, you see the difference. It indicates that the scope is connected. You see? So this is me on the screen. See? Let me start here. This is me on the screen. You see me on the screen? Because the camera is the scope camera is facing me. So you see me on the screen? Yeah, you see me on the screen. So this is how it is. When they put it in the patient, they put this scope in the patient, you see what's up. So now that the scope is connected to the machine, I'll raise it, this thing up, scope up, and then hook it up here. See here? Hook it up here. Hook it up here. And then the scope, I grab it here and I put it on top of the table. Put it on top of the table. The next thing I'm going to be doing is, this particular facility don't use the reusable buttons. They don't use the reusable buttons. They use the disposable ones. So the disposable ones comes in a pack. These are the disposable ones. So after the procedure, you take these ones off the scope and then you throw them away. You don't process them. You just throw them away. So when you open the pack, this is what you see in there. You see these 3 buttons and these buttons. So I throw this thing away. Then this button, this blue button is the air and water button. This red, you see the red head? That is the suction button. You see this? This is the suction button. And this is the auxiliary button. Okay, I'm going to show you where they all connect. So this scope, I grab it like this. This is the auxiliary button. You use it to cover this part. You see? The auxiliary one. You can open it, but they only open it when you want to flash water through or you want to put a faucet through the scope. So this auxiliary button, you close here. See here, you could open this. This one is disposable. You could open it. You only open it when you want to pass a faucet through it or you want to flash water through the scope. So I cover it. I put this button. I put it right here. And then this is the suction button. It has the red top. This is the suction button. It's short, and the air and water, the water button is long. You see how you see the difference? This one is long. So the one with the red head, this is the suction button. You put it where you see this hole is red. You see the red sign? You see the red sign? You see the red top? You see that the top is red. You see the red ring around this hole. You see? Take it closer. You see it's red, right? So you put the red goes with red. So you put it in there. So this one, we have 2 holes in there. You have 2 holes in this red hole, which is the suction hole. One goes straight and one goes down. You understand? This particular part has 2 holes. One goes straight and one goes down. The one that goes straight, that's the suctioning, and the one that goes down do the irrigation. So I'm putting the red into red hole, and blue into blue hole. And then I hang it here. Then you come to the connections. This one, you see this? You could open it, open and close. Open, you could hear the sound, close, open, close. So this one you connect it to. We have 2 holes here. One hole is deep and the other hole is shallow. So the deep one, you connect it to the long part of the scope. You see? Connect it to this. See this long part. So you connect it, shallow one, the deep one, connect it to the long. So you connect it right here. Connect it like this. You see? You connect it like this. push it in. Then you take the pump tube. You see this one goes, you take your you have this auxiliary channel adapter. You see they wrote it on it. Let me turn it upside down. Auxiliary channel adapter. I don't know how it's gonna work. So they wrote it here. Auxiliary channel adapter. So the auxiliary channel adapter, you take it out. That one too is disposable. You take it out. This is how it look like. Auxiliary adapter.